Every single aircraft that ever got off the ground was built to fly. Jets weren't meant to sit still. Speed, lift, movement, momentum. This Air Force wasn't built to sit still and wait. That goes for all of us. It's time to become the Air Force we need to be, not the Air Force we used to be. We have to be able to do the same things in new and different ways. The Profession of Arms Center of Excellence is here to re-engage and reignite. We will educate and inspire. You will not sit still. In 1947, Air Force Manual 3515 outlined what it took to be a leader in the new Air Force. It was a break from the Army and focused more on an airman's mindset. This was not a guide for soldiers. It was a guide for airmen. This evolved into the core values we know today: integrity first, service before self, excellence in all we do. You don't enforce the core values. You lead by living the core values. Learn to lead yourself. We have the tools to help you be better. Better people, better airmen, better leaders. We offer online books, in-person classes, videos, and one-on-one discussions that will expand your horizons and open you up to new ways of thinking. We will challenge your ideas of what it means to be an airman and take it to the next level. We are not here to spot weakness. We are here to identify potential. We are here to lift you up. The Profession of Arms Center of Excellence. PACE. This Air Force wasn't built to sit still. Aim high, Airmen.